Hi, how are you? Today we're going to see how to send money from Canada to India using PayPenny. And well, the first step we need to take to start this process is to open PayPenny, okay? Once it's open, this is what will appear. This kind of menu that we see here will show up. And the first thing we're going to do is click this button that says Add Money, which is basically to add funds to our account. Alright, once we've clicked there, okay, here we can see the balance that we'll have. And after that, here we're going to click where it says Send Money, which is this button right here. When we click that button, alright, as soon as this page or this screen opens up, what we're going to do here in this section is choose the amount we want to send. And here we'll see the amount that the other person in India will receive. Alright, here we'll be able to see and select the reason why we're transferring. Okay. Alright, once you've entered all the details and all the necessary information to send the money, what we're going to do is click on send. And well, this is what will appear when we send the money. It's actually quite simple to do, and I hope this works for you. If this video helped you, please leave a comment and subscribe.